You're watching the Fox 5 Morning News at 9.
Well, the Jewish New Year begins in just a few weeks. Debbie Kornberg, the founder of CEO of Spice and Leaf, is joining us now with some ways to celebrate. Oh, look at all this. How do you say Happy New Year, by the way?
Shana Tova.
Shana Tova. I can say that. That one's easy. That's a. And
We'll build up.
we'll build up. We're still a few weeks away, but I know that when this is a big holiday, there's a lot of preparations and getting ready for it. So tell me a little bit about what the holiday means.
Sure. So Rosh Hashanah literally means head of the year. Rosh, head, year, Shana.
Okay.
And it symbolizes the Jewish New Year. We believe that this is when the world was created 5,785 years ago. And when Rosh Hashanah starts on September 22nd, we will be 5,086.
Oh, we're getting old.
5,786, yeah.
And part of the holiday, like many of the holidays, is food.
Oh, yes. So it's a serious holiday and a happy holiday all rolled into one. Rosh Hashanah is just actually one of the names of the year. It's also known as Yom Hadin, Day of Judgment.
Oh.
Yeah. So this is a synagogue-based holiday as opposed to Passover where you're at home having a big meal. We do have celebratory meals, but we're in the synagogue most of the time, being very self-reflective and taking the time to think about people we've harmed over the year that we might want to say we're sorry to.
Oh, wow.
So it's also called Day of Remembrance, Yom HaZikaron. And
or how about we just don't harm people?
well, sometimes we make a mistake.
Yeah.
We say something we wish we hadn't. It's our opportunity. I know I have. And we always make it a point in our household to be able to say we're sorry for the things we've done.
Why not pointing to each other behind the camera?
But this is your opportunity.
This is your opportunity to sit down and self-reflect. All right, let's talk a little bit about some of the yummy food that you brought with us. What's on this table?
So, as Siri said it is, we celebrate with honey and apples.
Ooh, what's the symbolism?
Sweet New Year.
Oh, sweet news. So you
Dip the apple in the honey. That's the preschool song.
Okay.
Wish-
Is it a preschool song?
Yeah, dip the apple in the honey.
Never heard it.
Well,
How am I 4 kids and I've never heard dip? Okay.
dip the I'm not singing.
Okay. So you dip apples literally
in honey, yeah. And to wish you a sweet new year and that you may be inscribed in the book of life for the coming year.
Okay. What else did you bring?
I brought carrots. Carrots is actually another symbol for the Jewish New Year, where because they're sweet, and the word in Hebrew is gezer, which is similar to gazar, which means decree. So we have this play on sweet and some serious notes to it, as well as Yiddish is merin, which is another term that we use to welcome in the sweet new year. So we are spicing things up with carrots. On my far left over there, that is a carrot cake in honey and bee mold.
Oh.
I do want to point it out.
I walked down and Debbie's like, do you see like the honey hole, like the bees? And I'm like, okay. It took me a second.
Right?
I got it,
but
though.
that's why I want to point out. So everybody will be like, oh, I get it.
Okay.
I get it. So it's a carrot cake with a nice little sweet frosting.
This thing keeps sliding. It's making me nervous.
Because the table's on a
I
slope.
know.
One day
Welcome.
we'll be in that
Okay.
kitchen.
So you're roasting the carrots.
With a little bit of butter.
Okay.
And then we're going to I have a half a cup of water in there. This is the Tzimmes recipe. A third cup of orange juice, some wildflower honey. We're going to do a quarter cup of that. And of course some baharat spice, which is sweet and savory. It's got some cinnamon
Ooh,
notes.
I can smell it.
Yeah, cinnamon, a little cumin, ginger, coriander.
Oh, that smells like fall. Okay.
So we're gonna just pour this in here and we are gonna let this cook down. Normally you would let this cook for about 8 minutes and cover it. And then you take the lid off and just let it cook down until it looks all...
Wait, it's supposed to look like this or this? I'm confused.
this.
Well, what's this?
Oh, those are roasted carrots with capers, kebab spice, a little more on the savory side, and then I drizzled honey on top.
Okay, so you're showing us different carrots in different ways.
Yes. As a symbol, depending on what your menu is, if you're serving brisket, if you're serving chicken or fish, you might, want to be able to have a more savory dish with a touch of honey, or super sweet with the Tzimmes orange juice and honey.
How long does the holiday last?
Rosh Hashanah is 2 days. It starts first night. We're a lunar calendar.
Oh my word, this is making me nervous.
I'll hold it.
Hold your pot or you're going to have carrots all over the floor. Okay.
So it begins Monday night and Tuesday and Wednesday. And Wednesday night, the holiday concludes. And then we have 10 days of thoughtful thinking, I'll say, until we get to Yom Kippur, Day of Atonement.
Thank you, Debbie, for always coming
you're
and
very
teaching us these
welcome.
beautiful traditions and the food on top of it. If you want the recipe, learn how to make it and get your hands on some of these spices. They really smell so good. FoxEyeSanDiego.com. Click the little scene on tab. We'll get you all hooked up. May I have a carrot?
Oh my gosh.
I just
yeah,
want
go
to try
for
it. Try it. Oh, that's so good. We'll be right back.